Amazon Nova App AI Review. Is it worth it in 2025? So it integrates into web browsers using Playwright and Python via an SDK, performing step-by-step tasks such as ordering or web interactions autonomously. So Nova App aims for reliability over Flash and prioritizing accurate and verifiable actions. So what's its pros is it has high benchmark reliability. It supports screenshot web text, web icon benchmarks, and ground UI web. It also has a granular task control and security, where it supports breaking tasks into smaller acts, which is calls with playwright integration. It also has a Python and parallel workflow support, and it is backed by Amazon's AI investment. The cons is though, the research review with fragile reliability, and there are some security risks with sensitive data, and the browser functionality and web changes can fail unless constantly maintained, and the trust and the governance has some consideration and legal oversights. So overall, in conclusion, is it worth it in 2025? Well, absolutely, especially for developers and organizers comfortable with experimental tech. Nova acts as offers unmatched reliability and integration in the agent landscape.